Alright, let's do this, Team Bull. So how's everyone this morning? Hope you all having a really nice morning. Good morning, Paula. Good morning, everyone. Welcome in. All right. Good morning. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the chat. Any questions at all? I'm trying to find some setups. I haven't looked at charts much this morning. Crazy busy week for me. Crazy. Jaden has another trader inside Team Bull now, Jean. She's on Zoom. You get to hear her trade as well. What's up?
Niet exactly op dat level.
I'm watching above pre-market high for longs, everyone. This is my game plan. Welcome. We had a winning trade on the live yesterday. I took another trade later that day, but I was driving, could not get logged into my trade event. I was up 20 points roughly. I was gonna try to take a trim, and it ended up stopping me out for a loss. So lesson learned.
Nee. Go back now.
Lesson learned.
Go back. Go up. 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 Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it now. Oh, was too fast, guys. That was too fast.
Have a lot of news. I've seen that quite a bit, huh? We'll see. We'll see if it gets in our way. What we got? S&P. We got PMI at 945 and ISM at 10. Chris, probably Apex, I guess. I'm not 100% on that.
Let's see what it will give us today. Gonna wait the first 15 minutes per usual. And
Welcome in, everyone. Just looking for a trade. Watching this candle here, it's a little bit early, but I wouldn't mind catching a long entry in this area. What a candle. Oh. Well, this candle has no chill, but I like it. What a candle. I was looking for a long entry for us. News in 5 minutes. How's your mornings going? For those just joining, mine has been busy but good. Busy but good.
No pressure, it's no pressure. We only got a green trade, so
Nice, Scott. Appreciate that, man.
no pressure.
It's always better morning when I get to hang out with you all and make some money for sure. Nice. You made 156 scalping so far? It's a good start. Or a good trade. A good day. Not just a good start. I was looking at that. I was watching it for a possible bounce there, but we didn't quite get to it. I guess, well, we was about there. I'm not really interested in it now for a bounce, but I'm still watching for longs. I think if we get above this point of control, this previous day point of control, you can see it on the chart there. And pre-market high. Let's see, what would the risk be if we took longs here? 488, quite a bit of risk.
I'm watching as far as individuals go. I am watching Tassie Baby, as always. Hey, see, AMD didn't do a ton from their earnings. We'll watch AMD, NVIDIA.
You guys, I'm getting ready with the shorts. Standing by.
That's awesome, Jake. Passed your first eval yesterday. Let's see if we can't focus in and
Or not.
reach some payouts together. Try our best, at least. Current point of control is right here. This 501 area, 502 area.
I'm trying to decide what to do.
What are you looking for shorts?
Below 522. They're playing hard games right now.
That's awesome, Corey. You're so 500 away from passing 5 take profits evals today. Nice.
All right. Stay patient, y'all. We have our, okay, let's go ahead and put this. Let's go ahead and put our range in. Get our pre-market low, pre-market high. Let's color code those blue, not to get them confused with our other levels. And now we even have our 15-minute high, 15-minute low. For once, it's a tight-ish range. It's not a 100-point org for once. I think that's a rare commodity these days. But we're consistently seeing just enormous orb ranges.
Excuse me.
All right, let's see. You know who's not here yet? You know who's slacking on us? Mr. Gene.
Oh man, that's no good. Unfortunate.
You have to fire him.
Rose MIA.
See, we need to talk to Jim. 601 approaching again, guys. So that's the another level. Remember the beginning of the other 4-hour range. See what happened here.
You doing well? Oh no, that's no good, Austin.
Down below. 601. Pinkies right now. What's the plan? What's the plan? What's the plan? Bounce on the weekly. And then recover 601. And massive on the block we left below.
My gut was telling me we should, go along here, but I couldn't take it. No confirmation.
Let's see.
So, what do I think of the volume? I think this is exactly what we want to see for a breakout candle. We pull back to the 15-minute range high. If this candle closes up here, I'm trying longs.
Yep, I like the longs too, based solely on price action. Based solely on price action, I like that. We close up here, and then let's see the low, 23, 33, 40, 30, 50. The only problem is that if we retest this 15-minute range, you have to have a bit more risk on or stop not quite to the trend-setting candle. And our 50% retracement is 532. So
Yeah.
I'll probably, if we get confirmation, wait for the retest back down into the zone. And either I use a little less size or stop a little early.
Sipping some coffee, looking for some trades. That's all.
It's really the only option. I'm watching for a move into the zone.
I tried some longs, everyone. I'll add if we pull back to the 80s. Light size.
The volume looks good. I don't blame you.
Into longs.
was your entry area?
I got in right at the close of that candle.
610 area, 608.
What? Oh, my average 612. I didn't get that. I got a bad
Figured
fill.
around there.
Bad fill, but I'm in. I'd like to see 640. There we go. There we
Nice
go.
shot, bro.
Nice, man.
Taking the trim here, moving my stop to entry. I just don't want to let it go red. I will take a re-add though if we pull back and retest. I will take a re-entry if we pull back and test that 15-minute range. That previous day point of control. 25578.
Go for blue green Grizzly. Go for a beautiful run to go up.
I don't play around with breakout trades though. That's why I'm managing it so closely. Oh. Is anybody in the trade with me or?
You killed that dog. You got literally a immediate move.
Yeah, it's a quick move.
Immediate move.
It's good for making money, but it's not good when you're trying to call it. I hate when people miss out. Break that 640. Let's see if we can. Well, I tried to get a trim off when we broke that, but I didn't get it.
They didn't give much retest. They give a slight test of pre-market high and just ripped. Glad you caught that, bro.
I thought that the way volume looked, I kind of thought we might not get the pullback for a second. So
Yep.
there we go. I got filled on that next trim, everyone. I'm gonna leave my stop at entry though because I want to give it a little room since I'm so light. You can move your stop into profits if you would like, but that's how I'm gonna manage my trade. Nice trade.
Killed that, bro. Oh my gosh.
Nasty.
Damn, my boy. I see you like 50-point trade.
I'm gonna trail that. I'm gonna trail this now by 20 points, everyone.
I see you, my boy.
Right here's my final price target, everyone. This is it. Anything past this is just icing on the cake.
I've got to be making money with my boy Grizzly. My boy Grizzly killing it. Awesome, bro. Oh my gosh. 60-point trade.
Okay, guys, we're approaching to the
All right, everyone.
4 hour range.
I sold my last runner right there on that push up. If we pull back and retest, yeah, I got out. I only had one runner. I couldn't leave another.
No, I'm not in Grizzly's trade.
I'm out. Completely over. See if we can't get a pullback now for another entry. I'm open to that 25,600 bounce again. But the safest area would be around 25,578.
That was a nice breakout with that volume, man. I wanted to see a little pullback, but I'm glad you caught that.
Most of the time I would have waited on the retest, but that volume just looked too good.
I want to see the price action here at this level, 688. That's the end of the 4-hour range. So this is another level I have, 663. But I prefer to wait for 688. See what happens there.
Everyone make a bag on that with me for those that could catch it. I know it moved quickly, but that volume, when you see volume like that, candle close, I had to hop in. No,
he's out.
I'm out completely.
Okay.
Nice job on that trader one. I know if you was fast enough to catch it with me, and you trimmed it properly, moved your stops, congrats. I know it don't seem like a lot, it's just one trade, but steps just like that's how you build discipline over time. Just small, simple steps, right? Consistently. I got out because that was my final price target, and only had one runner. I wish I had more. I was gonna add more. I was actually gonna try to get a full size trade on this, but it didn't work out that way for me. But it is my biggest day of the week, which is not saying much because I've been trading very lightly. Make sure you follow. I do go live every morning here. Live trading, 100% free. I don't ask for anything, just other than hitting the like, thumbs up, all that good stuff. Appreciate that, man.
Okay, almost rejecting this level.
Appreciate that, Paula. Paul, thanks, man. Is SPX at that, Steve? Let me check that out. Good eye, Steve. It's hard for me to watch everything. That's good. I mean, how are we feeling about the 6,800 on SPX? Is anybody watching that for a trade?
70-point trade, Busy Block.
If I had more runners, I'd left them. I didn't get my full size in. I left room in case we pulled back to the retest area.
Pixies 88 has been keys. See what happened here.
We got news in 45 seconds, yep. And the video orb's playing out nice too. Anyone else buy any more Bitcoin yesterday at 100K? No, I did.
I think I'll start my Bitcoin position the next crypto winter.
Ended up buying like 17,000 worth yesterday.
What's appreciate that, Jason.
Probably buying a little more today too. I just like to nibble on Bitcoin every day. I mean, 17,000 is not a nibble, but I at least buy like $1,000, $2,000 worth a day.
Yeah.
A lot of times I'll just use my trading profits for it.
You've already got a ton of money in it though, so you're just averaging in more.
I'm closer to 20 whole Bitcoins than I am 10 now.
Nice.
My goal is to own 20 whole Bitcoins, so I'm getting closer by the day. Just little bits. I've been saving them for a long time. I'll never sell. I mean, it's a symmetrical bet for me. I think it's going to go 500K plus, so I'd rather lose my whole investment. It's either I lose 1 to 2x or I make 5 to 10x. That's how I look at it.
What is XRP at this morning? I promised everyone I'd join the XRP army at $2. So we there yet?
I actually have seen people loaning against their Bitcoin. I don't know what XRP is at. I don't own a single bit of XRP. I own Ethereum and Bitcoin. That's it. Ethereum and BTC. That's it.
It's at 2.2 right now. XRP. Yeah, appreciate it. ES bounced like a 6808 area looks decent. I'm gonna focus on NQ, but for those that trade ES, worth a watch. Let's see.
Guys, be shorts.
Greg said he's trying shorts. I'm not taking it, but if you trade with Greg, he's in shorts.
Yes. 661.
I don't recommend giving away your profits from that big trade we just caught, everyone. So I'm gonna wait on the pullback retest. If we don't get it, chances are I will not take another trade, but we could very quickly get it. So stick around. What else? I was gonna answer a question here. Which company do I go through? Apex, Tradeify, Patricia. Go to my website, Grizzly Trades. Look at Take Profit and Apex. Compare them to, go with which one you think's best. I feel like them two are in the top two in my opinion.
3 minutes up here, guys.
Just make sure you use code Grizzly for the discount, and if you have any questions, ask them in chat here. We can all help answer them. So. Yeah, I'm live on TikTok and YouTube. We've had an awesome week live trading together, right? We've had 1, 2, 3. We've had 4 winning trades during these lives together this week.
2 hours today.
4-0. Have we had a losing trade on here?
Full 2 hours for your boy today. So we got a full trading day. Hopefully we can find something nice.
Greg said he stopped out. If anybody took that short with him.
That's a big trade.
Scalped and stopped out, I guess. Yeah, we haven't had a losing trade this week. There will be a losing trade. Not trying to say they will not be, but the longer we can avoid one, the better, right? You're very new. That's okay. Just hang out. You'll learn from just reading the chat. The way the topics we discuss. Grizzology is
Let's
what?
see. We are currently above.
Oh, it's my indicator.
High, 50-minute high, and personal
And it is 100% free to try if you'd like to try it.
DOD.
I would have had another winning trade. I didn't take it during the live yesterday, but I caught it out in admin trading floor inside Team Bull. I was up 20 points, could not get logged into my trade of 8, got stopped. It went back against me before I could, close my position in profits.
Trading this morning? Thank you, bro.
See the volume on that candle, Jed, on that previous? It's interesting.
I know. That's what I was saying. It's like, it's an anomaly. It's a smaller candle, but very aggressive volume.
right, close right above that fair value gap too.
I'm not sure what to make of that. Not sure what to make of that. I forgot to finish my electrolytes this morning.
Thanks, man. I try to keep everyone safe that joins my lives the best I can. If I don't like a trade, even if someone in Team Board takes it, I try to let you know I'm not taking it. But doesn't mean it's going to be wrong. Sometimes they absolutely print, but you all hang out with me, so I do my best to give you my thoughts on the trades.
Yeah, I posted a link under the funding partners. If you trade options or futures, Vanquish can be a good option for you.
Excuse me. I mean, I told our game as soon as we got on here this morning. I was like, yeah, I like longs above this previous day point of control, this pre-market high. That was the only thing I liked, to be honest. Well, I was looking for a possible entry right here, but we didn't quite touch it there on this candle. The point of control. Make sure you follow. Go live every morning. If you have any questions, drop them in the chat. We have nothing but time. And I'm completely focused on questions this morning. We caught a nice winning trade already. My biggest day of the week. I'm sure it was a lot of yours as well. Honestly, yesterday I didn't really make much. It's basically a break-even day from that where I messed up on that. We had a nice, we had a scalp winning on here, but that one trade I couldn't log back into knocked out my profits. What does joining the Discord help with? Do you all teach strategy? Oh yeah, there's all kinds of education in Team Bull and stuff. It's just community of traders talking, webinars, all that good stuff. This coffee is good. What do I consider shorts? I don't really like anything for shorts. Let me look here in front of me so I can give you a better answer. Look at the big chart. $25,900 area. A long ways up, huh? I don't really see anything for a reject, do you? What do I use for charting? This is TradingView. This is what my indicator works with as well. That's why we watch it. I trade on Tradovate. I keep my Tradovate on my left screen, right below the Team Bull Discord, so I can, makes it a little easier to wait a second. I'm trying to see if they're taking another trade in Team Bull. They're saying something. One sec.
That's affordable I have. Price action.
Is anyone in a trade?
To the shorts.
Anyone in a trade? Hold on. Is anyone in a trade, Team Bull?
Thank you, shorts.
You're in shorts?
Yeah.
What are you looking for, Grizzly?
I just wondering if anybody's in a trade. I don't see anything in this area.
Kind of looking for shorts too. I just want a bit more confirmation. I got time today to trade, so. Nah, chart. I got time today.
Come on, baby, come on. It's a massive dump. Come on.
I don't have a short area until like
Bring me one more.
25,900.
Stop loss and break even, guys. Ooh.
Bless you.
Good job, Greg.
Thank you.
Thank you, Grizzly.
What's everyone got planned out for trading today? Putting in the work? Nice, Jay. How's it going this morning out there?
Three green trades, guys. 3 green trades.
The
You
only
killed it today, Greg.
place I like a bounce is in this area here.
Still on this trade, guys. Stop loss in profit. Let's see if we can get the 4 hour level below 601.
Steve, I don't disagree with that. But if we was gonna, if we saw this and we're like, okay, we're about to dump here, I don't think futures would be the move. I feel like options would be the way to go. I guess if if you was taking that type of trade where anticipating the move, which is not something I'm gonna do. I'm just talking. You would basically position for 0 on your options. But you're right. We've had some big moves down. The last couple of days.
Yeah, right. We should ask Grandma what she thought. She's been on a heater. She's been on a heater.
Had a bit of a headache all morning. Feeling better now though. Probably just a weather change, getting cold. First frost should be here this coming week, early in the week.
You're in this position with me. A stop loss at least break even, guys. Protect the position.
Protect the position.
Go red. There's no point to let it go red.
Kind of reminds me of what we saw yesterday. See if this flag ends up playing out, or if they give us similar setup.
I think I'm gonna go as soon as we get off here. Well, not as soon, but a little bit later. I think I'm gonna go grab some sushi today after this. Why not? We had a nice trade. Good management, good discipline. We've been crushing it all week. Yeah, well, I like it around this pre-market high, everyone. If we're gonna try a bounce right here, that's where it'd have to be for me. Back around at 25,600, down to 25,578. And if I take this, I'm gonna go half size. So, well, I'm talking about my personal. We're gonna stick with the 3 to 5 MNQ on the funded always. So that goes without saying. When I talk about different position size, I'm referring to my personal. is what free to use, Big Vision. I must have missed your previous message. Something's up with this volume here. We have some aggressive selling. It's failing to go lower. It's interesting. Might be a big move coming to the upside here. I'm not for sure. If you're still in long, should you hold? I'd. What's your average, Ryan? Did you get in when we got in around this area here? I mean, if you got a runner, leave it. Just, you're already down this far from the high point. I wouldn't let it go too far, though. The rumors of government reopening sometime before this week is over. Interesting. I feel like I should apologize for the 30-minute workday this morning on that first trade, but we're still looking for another entry. So make sure you hit the follow button. Go live every morning. And if you want to get funded, you don't want to trade futures with your own personal account, go to grizzlytrades.com. Look at Take Profit and Apex, both two of the best companies in the game. Use code Grizzly for the discount. Check them out. And if you would prefer to use, fund your own account with your cash, I recommend Tradeovate. I'm not affiliated with them, but they're one of the best futures trading, day trading platforms that I know of. So. Come on, push on down for us. Give us another bounce, another long entry down there. Do you all still like this long setup, or are you done looking for a bounce here? I want to hear your thoughts. You still watching this with me? I mean, if we come together and say, it's not worth the risk now for that first trade, I'll go with the team, Let's talk about it. I was thinking, if we try it, 5-minute close below that 15-minute range would probably be a good stop, unless it just tries to get out of hand. Then we'll have to stop, before. Yeah, this happens. All right, we'll watch it then. Seems like everyone still likes it. We'll see. We'll wait on the candle close for entry. Is anybody in the Knoxville area? We have to find someone to eat some sushi with, some steak. Talk about trading. You're in Columbia? Never been there. Texas? Bama? Oh no. I'm playing. Just messing with you. I like all my Bama fans as well, but Vols fan here. Oh, Columbia, Tennessee, yeah. South Carolina. Go Vols, that's right. Alright, here's a candle. This is an interesting candle here. Let's see the volume on this. This could give us another long entry. Well, it's getting out of hand quickly. Getting too much risk on it. It's too much risk, jeez. Arizona, Florida. I've never been to Arizona, I don't believe. May have drove through once, but I don't really consider it being there unless you get to experience it, you know. When's it? Wait a second. Open has earnings, reports earnings tomorrow, right? You'll be in Pigeon Forge this weekend? Nice. I'll probably be in the woods this weekend, but I may be able to hit me up. I'll see if I'm around in the mountains this weekend. If you go to Pigeon Forge, you have to go to the island. It's probably one of the best places in Pigeon Forge. Check out the island. Nashville. Nashville's like 3 hours from me, I guess. I really like longs here, but there's so much risk on this candle.
I know, I wanted to see a bit more pullback. That's exactly what I'm looking for too.
Jesus, even half of 50% retracement is still quite a bit of risk on it.
Yep. That's how the market's been the last few days too. I'm just a little little hesitant for that, so stay patient. So down to like maybe 60.
I like longs here, everyone.
I might not get it, which is fine with me.
I like them. But I can't justify entering for us. I mean, I believe it's going to go up, but it just doesn't match, or it's not the right risk to reward for us, so I can't enter.
I don't think we're going to get the pullback I wanted, especially after we got that. I think the pullback we just saw was it. 70. High days, 715.
I'm on the 5-minute time frame, Sean.
60. I would have been willing to put on a bit more risk there, but we didn't get it, so. Unfortunately, I think I'm going to miss out on this next move up.
Medman, you around? Medman and I went to Nashville together once. It's been a few years, but it was a good time. How do you access the indicator? You go to grizzlytrades.com. Grizzlytrades.com. You'll see it there. That was a fun trip. This is for trading view. The indicator is, yes.
Put on a bit more risk with lighter size at 40, 45 points, but I mean at 70, you have like 50 points of risk there. It's just too much. Because you just now be getting to 1-to-1 at high a day.
SPX at 6,800 again.
Too much discipline, I guess. That's such a thing. Price wasn't bad today, just didn't give me a setup price. There's been some decent movement.
Honestly, I've liked this week as far as trading goes. It's been solid for us. You all have any questions? We can talk about whatever. If you have a topic in mind. Medman, can you send that over to him? And you see him in the chat there? I was trying to think of the name of that restaurant we went to, Medman, when we went. It was so good. I think I can turn my heater off. It's warm enough. Greg's in shorts again. Not me. Not I. Is it a paid indicator? It's free for 7 days, so you try it. If you don't like it, just cancel within 7 days, and you're not out any money. It's really cheap, so. What do you think? Do we call it a day here since we missed our bounce? Bounced a little early? I think it's best. We had, what, 60 plus point trade somewhere in that area, 50, 60. That's all we need. We'll come back tomorrow. Let me know if you all reach some payouts or pass some evals this week. I love to see it. Love to see it. Just made your monthly sub from this trade. That's awesome, Roy. But I think I'm gonna call it a morning. Gonna slow down a bit today, eat some sushi, so. I see you all in the morning, right? You'll be back. I appreciate you.